The next topic is arranging. Using guides. Guides help in arranging and aligning text and objects on the artboard. When creating a poster or a brochure, you will most likely align objects in an organized manner. Guides make this task easy. To use guide, you must first make the rulers visible on the document. To do this, should choose the view on the menu tab and look for show rulers or simply Control R. Here's the rulers guide. To create a guide on the following, with the selection tool, click and drag the ruler on the edge of the page on the artboard. Click using selection tool, click and drag. A blue marquee line will appear where your guide will go. Move the marquee to the position you want to let go of the mouse button. After you have created your guides, you can't move them because they are locked. They are locked. To lock guides, choose View, View, Guides, then Lock Guides, so that you can move the necessary guide. And to unlock guides, just do the same. Choose Guide on the View tab, then uncheck the Lock Guides. You can freely move the guides towards it. Always remember to lock the guides after you have unlocked them, or you might accidentally select or move them.